inside. You can see what I'm doing here. I put almond paste on the inside. So now I'm going to wrap the dough. I'm wrapping the dough around the almond paste. Okay, and then I'm going to roll it very lightly to form the dough. Okay, again, your dough, you're going to wrap the dough around the almond paste. And you have, now you know those are finished. These are finished and ready to bake. These still need, so once you put, and you know, if your dough is firm enough, this dough is firm enough where you can move them, which is great. We need 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know, we might be able to do 5 by 7 on this guy, because these, again, these are not going to spread, and so these are finished, as you can see. These are not. So you go and indent each one, put a almond paste in the center. I need a couple more here. A little bit of almond paste. Okay. So once you have those ready to go, okay, they're not hard to do at all. Like I said, they're a delicious cookie. Now these aren't going to spread flat. They're going to stay kind of like rounded. You'll see when they come out of the oven. So I'll finish these up. We'll have them on our sheet pan. Again, make sure your name is in the corner of your parchment paper. That way nobody takes your cookies, and we'll bake them off. So again, I will be at the oven. I will show you how they're baked and what they look like when they come out, and how to decorate these chocolate almond bonbons. Okay, everyone. I will see you over by the oven again, and we'll do some baking. Ciao, everyone.